So we're looking at the area of a trapezoid. So a trapezoid is a four-sided shape that has one set of parallel sides. So these two sides would be parallel, meaning that they'll never meet and they're the same distance apart. And it's a four-sided shape. So to figure out the A and B, we're told that A and B represent the lengths of the parallel sides. Does it matter if I call this side A or this side A?
No.
No, as long as we call one of them A and one of them B. So let's call this one A and then we'll call this one B. Oops. And the height is represented by H, and it goes from one of the parallel sides to the other parallel side straight down, forming a 90-degree angle. So this would be the height. So we take A plus B first, we add that together, then we multiply the answer, the sum, by the height, and then we divide that all by 2. So let's try one of them. So the first trapezoid, what do you want to label as A and B? Remember, A and B are the two sides that are parallel. So which one do you want to call A?
The 3.
Okay, so this is A, and
then the 2.
This is B. So we're going to fill it in. So A is 3 plus B is 2, right? Then we're going to multiply it by the height. So this was 3 plus 2. What is the height of this trapezoid?
3.5.
3.5, good. So multiply by 3.5. And then we calculate that and we just take the answer and divide by 2. Okay, so do that. So we did 3 plus 2 equals 5, right? Then you multiplied that by 3.5 and you divided it by 2. What's 5 times 3.5 equals 17.5 divided by 2 equals, is that what you said, 8.75?
Yeah.
Okay, now this is area, so the area is equal to 8.75. What's the unit?
The unit for
the trapezoid is centimeters, and its area
divided by 2.
Centimeters squared.
Square.
Good. So this was the final answer. In this question, you're going to label A as 4.5 and B as 2.5. So fill in the brackets. 4.5 plus what?
Plus 2.5.
Good. Then we have to multiply that by the height. What's the height?
The height is 2.4.
Good, times 2.4. And then we're going to take all that and divide it by 2. So when we add these two together, we get 7. Then we have to multiply that by 2.4 and then divide it by 2. So 7 times 2.4 equals 16.8, and then divided by 2, 8.4 centimeters squared. Okay, so that was our first step, 4.5 plus 2.5, and we got 7. Then you're taking 7 and you're multiplying it by 2.4, right? Because that's what we have to do next. And then whatever you get, you're dividing that by 2 after. So what's 7 times 2.4? This is the next step. 7 times 2.4, we got 16.8. So you're taking that and you're dividing it by 2. We're doing step by step. So put over 2, divide by 2. And then what do you get?
8.4.
8.4 centimeters squared.